Problem 10. When the positive integer k is divided by 7, the remainder is 6. So what's the remainder when k plus 2 is divided by 7? Let's look at it this way. If we're dividing by 7, that means we're putting things in groups of 7. So let's pretend I have a number and I was able to make one group, two groups, three groups, and then I had how many left over? I had a remainder of 6. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things here. So I had 7 here, 7 here, and 7 here, but I had 6. I didn't quite have enough to make another group. How many more did I need to make another group? Yeah, only needed one more little guy right there. If I had that one more guy, ooh, it would have made a perfect thing. I wouldn't have any remainder. Now notice they want us to add how many to it? They want us to add what we have here, 2 to it. So if they would add one more and another one. When they add that one more, since the remainder was 6, when they add that one more, that's going to form a group, isn't it? And we're going to have a perfect number of groups, but how many now, what's the remainder now going to be? How many are left over out here? 1. You have a remainder of 1. Because basically you knew there was a remainder of 6. You added 2 more to it. So we added 2 more, which when we add the 1, whoo, made a whole nother whole group, and then you had 1 left over, so you're going to have a remainder of 1. It's always that way. If you divide by 5, you're going to have sets of 5, and then if you have, a remainder of 2, that means there's 2 left over out here. And so if you add 3 to it, you then can form another group. If you add 4, you're going to form a whole group and leave another empty space right here that would be the remainder. You got to think of it that way. When we're dividing by 7, we're putting in groups of 7. There's 6 left over here. So then when we add 2 more to our integer, we're adding 2 more places. Well, once we add that 1, we're able to form a whole group, and then it creates a remainder of 1. There's problem 10.